we have here your RGM79 GM or the GM, which in katakana it should be called GM only. It's not GM. Okay, so it is the AFSF mass production mobile suit, which is I don't know if it's the first. I don't no I know it's not the first kind of GM that we know, because as I know the first GM is the skirts has it whole cover right here, so it's like that the feet or the legs right here can't even move if you want to move the legs, but right here it's separated, it has a side skirt. But I know that this front skirts right here is a little bit maybe it's not good for articulation for the GM right here. And yeah, this is very small kit here, so I know I can build this even just for an hour or 2 3 hours. That's it.